Well, hey guys, Matt Samolsky here, Matt the Car Guy, and today is a different video. As you can see, there's no car behind me. I'm not sitting in the car, I'm sitting at my house because it's the end of the year, and I figured that I'll get on and I'll share some information with you. I'll thank you, first of all, with the bottom of my heart for all of you who watched my videos, well, all of you who supported my channel by subscribing, by liking, by hitting the comment buttons and commenting on those videos. So really, thank you very much for that. I will strive to continue getting better and posting the same amount of videos per week, which is 2 videos per week. And I just kind of want to give you an update of what's happening with Matt the Car Guy channel. So first of all, as many of you know, this is a brand new channel. It's my channel. I'm Matt the Car Guy, and I've uploaded my first car video on June 28, 2020. And since then, we grew from 0 to 685 subscribers in 6 months, and we grew to over 14,000 hours watched, 165,000 views. So thank you for that. I really appreciate every single one of those views, subscribers, comments, anything that you've done to support this channel. I really appreciate it. What's going on for 2021? Well, first of all, I want to wish you a wonderful 2021. I want to wish that for the entire world, that this whole pandemic is going to be over, that there's going to be a cure. I know that there's already a vaccination. We're not going to get into it because, you know, that's not the topic of this channel, but I just hope that we're going to get back to normal, and it's not going to be the new normal. It's going to be normal. We're going to be able to gather, socialize, you know, go to events and enjoy our life like we did for the last, you know, however old you are, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50, 100 years, whatever it is. So I wish that on all of us. And the plans for 2021 for my YouTube channel is, first of all, hit that 1,000 subscriber. Yes, it's a little bit selfish, but that's the point where YouTube starts paying, or you start being eligible for monetization of your videos, and then YouTube starts sharing some of that ad revenue with the creator. So I'm hoping to get that maybe in the next month, but 1,000 is really not my goal for 2021. I always want to aim high. And my goal for 2021 is to hit 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2021. And also hit 1 million views by the end of 2021. So here's what I'm going to do to get there. And hopefully, with your help, we're going to be able to do it. I'm going to post 2 videos per week, just like I've been doing for the last 6 months. I'm going to try to find the exciting, fun cars and review them, put my thoughts on them. And you know, whether you're looking for a car or you just like watching car videos, hopefully that's going to be for your enjoyment as well. I'm going to try to get better, get some more techniques as far as recording. I'm still very much green to this whole recording and editing, and I do all of the recording and editing myself. So bear with me, it will get better. I am a fast learner, maybe not as fast as some, but I will learn from my mistakes. And I also have a favor to ask. If you have a vehicle, or if you work at a dealership, or if you work at a manufacturer and are able to provide me with the vehicle to review, I would be happy and very much willing to film a video with your car. So send me an email. My email contact is in the description. It's about me section of this channel, and send me an email and we'll get together. We'll figure out what car you have and when and where can I film it. It is logistically easiest right now. I live in Sarasota area right now, so if you're in Sarasota area somewhere, that would be much easier for me to film it. If you're somewhere further away, it might be a little bit challenging, but you know, sky's the limit. I'm not saying no to anything. Anyway, guys, I don't want this video to drag for a long time. I basically wanted to wish you a wonderful 2021, a happy, healthy, and prosperous one. And I will see you in my next video, which is actually coming out in a couple days. Cheers!